That is the music of Grammy Award-nominated Spice. The Jamaican-born artist is known around the world as the Queen of Dancehall, and her songs have been streamed hundreds of millions of times. She's got millions of followers on social media. After her...
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
People are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know a thing set, man. You see it. People, you know, some see a thing going with the Spice interview on CNN. And me have to just shake my head, people. You understand? Me have to just shake my head. You see it? Because, yo, I tell the people, some of the time I have to just take, you know, I have to look on certain things and say, yo, why people do them so, man? So basically, people, when you see the relief, you know, every artist I do them thing, grateful. Whatever Spice I do, right, is good. It's good for the people. She help out, you understand, and certain things. But this are the problem now, what I notice with Spice. She always, when she do things, she always want fight, feel like, get the more attention. Right? She want to get the more attention than anybody else. Seeing? Because this situation where when I just see the video a while ago, basically they must see that play one of her song them, but you don't know I can't play because copyright. You understand? I don't know if it's some promotion this or really for sure Jamaica situation or what, because me did think say yeah, some video put out there and everybody do them video and everything and it pass and gone. But when me see this now, me I say Spice up on CNN. I say wait, this and then but look here, I want to listen to video people and tell me and listen to what the brother say.
That is the music of Grammy Award-nominated Spice. The Jamaican-born artist is known around the world as the Queen of Dancehall, and her songs have been streamed hundreds of millions of times. She's got millions of followers on social media. After her home country got...
People, yo, is this about Spice views or songs or 100 million of streams, or is about helping the people of Jamaica? Because this seems to me is a promotion slash hurricane news, or because we don't know all of the little song that we are playing and all of the little introduction about millions of views and all of them look something that not necessary right now. That you understand that not necessary. So but then no, to me, it's my opinion. To me just feel like say yo Spice just reach out to CNN just for highlight herself or whatever brand she have her. You understand? This me no feel so many times you see some people, you know, forward out and I do something, you know, yeah, she help out people, but some of the time them do these things for gain attention. Because when me see this, me say, so music and views and all of them things are forward in this now. Every artist do them thing, gone back to them regular life. Boom, Spice that pan CNN. See, but me I play a video and I couldn't listen to one.
Walloped by Hurricane Melissa last month, Spice organized relief efforts through her Grace Hamilton Foundation, giving people care packages and clothing. She also rented 10 trucks filled with materials to help rebuild dozens of homes in the hardest hit areas.
One of the trucks that you see with the block, the cement, the steel, the zinc, the tool before, the plyboard, to start at their foundation. So let them see it. Show them where the empty lot was, where the foundation, where the house was. So this is what is left from Hurricane Melissa. And it's a large family that used to be here that lost their home.
Spice joins me now.
People, yo, I tell you that, yo, this is all a movie now. Me I tell you, this is all a movie. But me have to say, big up yourself, Spice. But me see what you try though. You see, me know you help the people, but it's like, me don't know, it's like you try push other things with it. You know, me did think I say yo for help the people, but so my time I can just help, you know. You understand? Because at the end of the day, once your name calls, so you do this and do that, is a promotion. But me don't know, it's like maybe you just want to be extra, you know, link up CNN, depend the interview, you know. But me go play the interview part now, people phone realize say, I don't know if she really plan for it or what. Because it look like she nervous. It's like she did it one at a time and the man a look and the man a wait for she say something. But look what go on.
From Miami, Florida, Spice, whose real name is Grace Hamilton. That's where the Grace Hamilton Foundation comes from. First off, thank you so much for all that you've done on the ground.
Thank you so much for having me. It's my pleasure.
So for people that haven't been there, describe what it's like right now on the streets of Jamaica.
It's devastating for me. The first time I went to Jamaica, I cried. Just knowing the lush greenery that used to be home, the tropical beaches, the trees that is now falling to the ground, the light poles, like half of the island is still without electricity. And just to explain to you, Jamaicans are a group of people that they're very prideful. So when I went especially to the country areas and I was giving out the relief packages to see how they were eager to just get food and water, it broke me into a million pieces just to see my home country in such a devastated state. So for me, I feel
people, why man, tell you, I don't hear Spice, you know. But to me, the way how Spice attack, she even smile like, I don't know, because this is a serious situation. This is not really anything to really smile about, but, you know, she do her thing, she try to promote herself, rather than, you know, because the intro with the brother just do a while ago about millions of views and that's her song, and I don't know, to me this mostly a promote our brand and what she do, but not the real, you know, the depth of what going on in Jamaica really. Seeing, because this is a short little clip what me see, yeah, so me see it because, you know, the way how the brother talk, you can know say, yo, it is something where I just basically the whole information around she. Yeah, and you know, me have to say, yo, Jano. But Spice, some of the time, one can just do things for a willing art without even promoting herself. That's why you see people, there's a lot of artists that do donations, you know. Yeah, man, them do donations round across the western part of Jamaica, and nobody knows. Them try for yo, alright, give somebody for donate for them, or, you know, for just know say alright, I just do this in my willing heart. I don't want no camera, I don't want, you know, I just want to know say yo, I do good. But you have some people who just want to do it for clout, or because people is a good and bad, you know. Seeing some people just do it for highlight about themselves, or for make whatever them they doing in the past, them do it for make people like them again. Like whatever them they do, it just wipe out. You understand? It just wipe out. Like, alright, it's like this. If a brother were usually thief, now him start give out, them figure about the thief in now. Cause I do good. So some of them are do it for those clothes, some of them are just do it for highlight them brand, them foundation. Because remember, you know, there's a lot of foundation create with this Melissa thing, you know. 10 years ago or 5 years ago, enough of them people never have foundation. You understand? But when them are do helping out the people and giving back, that's good. But some of the time I feel like say, yo, if you really do this thing for a brand, for yourself, or not do it for the people. Because the interview here to me, it mostly like 80% of it just highlight Spice and her brand. That's how I do it, and her music. Because yeah, you done do an interview, but I don't know all of this thousands of stream and all of them little thing there. You know, you don't see Spice well prepared, and you know. But this is the thing, a lot of artists out there do a lot too. You know. Spice and other artists do them thing in the streets, in the west part of the country, donate to the people them and thing. But I don't know, I guess Spice just want to come out on top. You know, she want fear thing more, what do I call it? More present more than anybody else who donate. To me, maybe that. You know, who to tell people in the comment who can tell me, but to me, I just feel like say Spice just want a more attention. I just that. She just want a more attention. Yeah, that's some see it because a lot of people out there helping. And no one depend on the camera, them no one that doing a bag of interview, and you know. Yes, people are gonna see it, but people been seeing what every artist I do already. Remember say Spice and I like say Spice local. That's the thing in the people. Spice no local, Spice international. So millions of followers and everybody. Our YouTube, everybody I see what going on, you know. So some of the time I just feel like say some of them artists just do things extra for just get that attention or try to more promote them brand with it. Because me I say CNN and news and report and I don't know if CNN start promote artists now. I know CNN about news. Me never know say CNN have to do with music and views and all of these things. Many things here are just news like, you know, hurricane, whatever news, you know, but I just feel like say maybe the Spice us there and I say, yo, you know, say, I don't feel good in myself. I don't feel like I do good. You know what? I say I can link up CNN, you know. Yeah, man. I say I can link up CNN and, you know, put on my jacket and everything. Yeah, from everybody see me. I just some see it, people. I just some see it. But as I say, I just hope say, we continue, you know, helping out the people. That's all. Not do it for like one moment for the clout or for pushing a brand or what. Just keep, I hope we keep on helping out the people, them, you know, and just not do it for a moment if we no can. But I just feel like I said, the CNN thing, the CNN thing is just, you know, to me, it's just an extra or some clothing thing or, cause tell me now, imagine, say you tell me say, out of every artist are just Spice. Like, I just Spice them reach out to. Because this to me, this to me at all, I just feel like the way I see it, I just Spice brand. I just Spice brand and promote. To me. Because CNN don't know what going on Jamaica already. I don't know what going on say, yo, the crisis at Jamaica. Remember say Fox 5, the whole of them did there at Jamaica. Interview people and a show what go on. Them don't know already. So when me see Spice with this now, I say, I'm not CNN reaching this. This a Spice or whatever, you know, person, and she just want promote her, maybe her foundation and what she had do and thing. But yeah, I understand say yo, yeah, try, you know, as I'm say when you post video, it more motivate people, but there's a lot of motivation out there already. Yeah, man. A lot of motivation. You see me? But as me say, big up Spice and our brand. You know, but I feel like say that interview thing just seems extra, you know? Seems extra to me. I don't think it could have, there's more, a lot of things could have been done, but this to me is just promoting our foundation and our brand mostly. To me. Come here and see me and say, really? CNN? I say, no. But people, as me say, you know, if you not out there and not help people, just help. Sometimes you no want, sometimes not everybody want the video upon them and them look at thing there. You have some people like that. But if you not help, just help. You not really have to, some of the time there's video and everything and, you know. But if you don't want that, fine. But Spice, do what you do. But all me have to say, just do it for the people. You understand? Just do it for the people. Them. I understand say you have a brand, but sometimes you can just do things without promoting the brand. You understand? Yeah. And promote whatever thing you have, or music, or, you know. Because right now, if you see the artists them out there right now, them just help the people, them nah do no bag of press run and bag of interview and them something. Them just out there and help the people, them. Yeah, that's it. But I don't know, I feel like say what I see anything just it get too played out, you know. This none at all. Even when you must say people like, yo, she have 100 much million stream and the queen of dancehall and all of them intro there. I say, yo, John, well, no, that's something serious we are talking about in Jamaica, you know? Yeah, something serious. You see, and you know Spice she talk already, you know. She go say, you know, when I see it I cry and, you know. But CNN don't know what going on already. You see me? But as I say, big up Gracie Foundation. Yeah, man, big up your thing. But Spice just, you can just help the people, them. you know, sometimes I don't have to promote anything, but as I say, do what I have to do. But the interview, yeah, me nah connect to this. This nah, you know, this are just one-sided thing now. You see me, yeah, it a show certain things, but it just morally, the percentage is high on your side. Yeah, I just let me see it. People, remember the time when Spice if you do the school tour and the church people them and them she end up have to cancel the tour because the people them say, yo, you cannot push this agenda yana and want to come address the kids, and you know, cause remember, you know, she always in the media, the back and forth, and you know, with other people, and you know, the graphic as a artist we're out there, you know, where people look up to, and you know, she never did that behave away. So the people them they kinda cancel her school thing. But some people that say, yo, she use the school thing for promote her song. So when me I think about a CNN interview, I say, yo, this seemed to me like, come on, like enough artists, but you know, cause me know it's like me I say, yo, there's no way CNN could have reached out to anybody, but me just know say, yo, as she reach out to them, does she reach out to them? Cause we all see the intro and everything, me I say, come on. But as me say, she do what she have to do. If I that she do it for promote her brand and help at the same time, fine. But some of the time I don't overdo things. May I tell you. Yeah man, cause maybe she want the more attention than anybody else. Yeah, just some see it. She just want always, you know, out there more than anybody else. So everybody are doing it, gone back to them regular life, but she just want, you know, everybody see what she a do. Just that what she a do. Yeah, but you say she does do her thing. Still have a bigger up, so she help out the people and thing, yeah, but some of the time when I do things for some extra unnecessary things, you see it? Yeah man. You see, but people who don't know media facts, you know, yeah man, no thing said, that is it.